Once upon a time, in a green forest, there lived a clever little fox named Finn. Finn loved watching birds flying high in the blue sky. He wished, "I want to fly too." Finn climbed on a big rock, opened his arms, and jumped. But boom, he fell on the grass. He went to the wise owl. "Mr. Owl, can you teach me how to fly?" The owl smiled. "Foxes don't fly, Finn, but you can do other wonderful things." Finn didn't give up. He tied leaves to his paws and ran as fast as he could. He jumped again but fell into a bush. Finn sat by the river and sighed, "I will never fly." He looked at his reflection in the water. Suddenly, Finn heard a sound. "Help! Help!" A little bird was stuck in a net. Finn ran fast and used his sharp teeth to cut the net. The bird was free. "Thank you, brave fox," chirped the bird. The bird said, "Come with me." It took Finn to a high hill. "Look, you can see the whole forest from here." Finn smiled. "I can't fly like a bird, but I can run, help, and be brave. That's who I am." And from that day, Finn was proud to be a fox. The moral of the story: be proud of who you are. Everyone has their own special talent. What truly matters is not trying to be someone else, but discovering the strength within yourself.